Hey y'all, what's up, man? Big Daniel, Import Life Media. Today we're checking out Origins in Irwindale, Battle of L.A. So they've been going pretty much all day from like 4 o'clock in the afternoon all the way up until 10 o'clock. So getting here a little late, but I'm yelling right now because it's still active. So as always, let's see what they talking about. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Coming late because I always feel rushed, but man, I don't know, there's a lot going on right now. My bad, y'all. I've been everywhere, dude. Hey, you can feel the heat coming from there. Watch this, watch this. Yeah, got him out here representing. I love that. I love that. Hell yeah. That fool did not care, yo. Damn. This is like a Civic hatchback against a Oldsmobile, old school Oldsmobile. I am tripping, and you can call me stupid. That was an old school 5.0 Mustang. Hey, but out here you can see anything. So, yeah, from my point of view, it did look like an Oldsmobile. I'm dumb. All right, man, I'm bouncing around, dude. And sorry, I'm not getting many cars because the sun's gone down. But anytime I hear loud noises, I'm bouncing back and forth, back and forth. So now we're coming back over here to the Burnout two-step pit. I don't know what's going on. So let's see. That was Origins, Battle of L.A. out here in Irwindale. I apologize if I didn't get as many cars as maybe some of you guys are used to or wanted me to, but there was a lot going on. You know what I mean? Like every single time I was getting interested in trying to film one thing, I heard noise. I'm like, let me go this way. Wait, let me go this way. It's hard whenever there's a big event because there's so much going on. You don't want to miss it all, but no matter what, you're going to. You know what I mean? Let me say this. I do understand, I do know that there's so many different channels out there, and I do appreciate from the bottom of my heart that you guys have tuned into mine. I'm talking. Can I talk to my people?
You drove right this
Damn.
You drove down this alley to get here, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, how you not see my car? How could you miss this thing? You should be looking for it like.
Yeah. What? All right.
Continue with your outro.
Anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching my channel. For all my return subscribers, thank you for continuing to follow me. For my first time viewers, please like and subscribe. And go ahead and check out the past videos that I've made. If you haven't done so yet, also add me on IG at Import Life Media. All right, about to head out, maybe get into something else. But always remember this: life is not happening to you, it's happening for you. All right, stay blessed, y'all.